This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, as of now, we know how to handle single element, like how to identify this element, and all. Suppose I want to identify multiple elements. Okay, like I need to retrieve under this category best sellers. How many elements I have? Okay, or you can take any like mobiles. Click on mobiles here. Smartphones. Okay, how many items are displayed here? Generally, how we are going to do shopping, right? Okay, you can search. Go to Amazon.in. Here enter iPhone 13. Click on search. Okay. Here total how many products we got in this page? Total we have one, two. It is not showing results, right? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Mm, where we can see these results here? In Flipkart we can see it directly, but here, okay. I don't know how many. Here it is showing. 1 of 16, 772. Total we have 772 results. In first page we are getting 1 to 16 elements. Then if you apply filter, okay, now we got 1 to 24. You need to verify how many elements you got here, okay. This is the script we are going to automate. Launch Amazon.in. Here enter iPhone 13 or iPhone 14. Click on search icon. Now scroll down. Here select, where is this brand? Yeah, select this Apple brand and retrieve. Okay, how many products it is displaying? I want to print all these products title. This is the title, right? One, two, three, four, five, six. So total 24 items we have. I need to print the multiple items. Okay. As of now, we saw just single item, how to handle single item, how to click on single element. Now we are going to deal with multiple elements. If you see Google, right, even interview they will ask you, okay, can you please print these languages in Google? Okay. How many languages it is displaying? Can you please print these languages? Open google.com. Okay, we'll see multiple exams, how to handle with using find elements. Let's create already. Okay. What's it out? Handle multiple elements. Here, new plus. What is our first scenario? Print languages from Google, or well, print languages. Let me take this code already we have, right? Import this. Then at the rate of test. Public private, verify and print languages from Google. Here after launching google.com private get. Whenever you are giving right URL, you need to give with HTTP. Otherwise, it won't launch the, it won't enter the URL. Now here we need to write a XPath, okay, where it will retrieve all these languages. Inspect element. See here. Inside this div, okay, if you are highlighting, see, you need to place this cursor and identify, okay, where it is covering entire item. Inside this div, okay, we have anchor tags with the hrefs, right? These are the links we have. If you click this link, it will change this to particular language. If you click this, Google will change to the particular language. Inside this div we have, okay, I'm going to write XPath double slash div at the rate of id equal to total how many elements, okay, only one element we have. What we need to get, we need to get this anchor tags double slash a. See, total how many elements, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Total we have 9 elements. You want to count you want to verify the count, okay, and also you need to print these languages. For this we are going to use driver dot find elements. We have two methods. As of now we saw examples on find element, okay. Today we are going to see examples how to use find elements, when we need to use find elements. Okay, whenever you are calling this method, it will take by class argument and the return type is list of web element. Already we saw this collection concept, right? Okay, how to handle list, how to add that elements in list, how to print by using for loop, we can use for each loop, then how to get the size of list by dot xpath dot. No, we are not going to perform any action, okay, simply we are going to store in list. It will return list of web elements. List equal to import this list, okay. This is from Java, right? Okay, list from java.util package. Web element, this is from Selenium package. You need to know the difference, okay. This list always we are going to import from Java only. We don't have any separate package for this inside the Selenium. Then I need to verify how many languages we have. For that I will do list dot size. It will return the integer. Int number of languages. Okay. As of now, we have only 9 languages. In my future, they may add more languages also. We don't know exactly. I'm going to add assertion. Assert equals. Okay, this is the actual. We have 9 elements, 9 languages. We are going to compare with the expected. We'll check actual and expected values. This is hard coding because I know, okay, as of now they are not going to change these languages. That's why I'm hard coding this value. Then what I need to do, I need to print each and every language by using for loop int I equal to 0, because it is going to start with index 0, I less than list dot size. then I plus plus. By using for loop, okay, we are going to print the values. Whenever you are using for loop, right, you will get index. Get index. What is the index? Dot text. This is one way, okay. If you don't want to print here, it will give the web element. Whenever you are calling get method, it will return the web element. What is this web element exactly? Language. These are the web element languages. I am going to print the languages dot get text. First I am verifying, okay, how many languages we have. If this language is true, okay, then only it will execute this line of code, okay. Otherwise, if we, here it is getting failed, right, it won't execute these statements. Let's see how it is going. Oh, no, if I am going to add something here. Hmm, right click, then I need to close the browser as well. I don't want to open the browser. I will add after test. Driver dot close. Okay, now right click, run as. For your understanding, okay, I am going to add some wait command here. Wait, then print the languages. We are waiting for 5 seconds. Right click, run as text engine test. It will launch the Chrome browser. Waiting for 5 seconds. Now we are printing the languages. We'll check what happened. It is not printing languages. See, it is giving like this. While printing, it is happening. Okay, but if you see here, we can see the exact values. But while printing, we are unable to print the languages. See, here we have text, right? You can able to see the text, but we are unable to print this text. Maybe security purpose, okay. This Google restricting to print this text, okay. Total, how many elements we have? If you want, you can print this size as well. I'm going to add here number of languages. Due to security reason, okay, they are not allowing us to print the text. See, total how many elements we have? Total we have 9 languages. But while printing text, okay, that there might be any security reasons. It is not printing the text, okay. We'll see in this example. We'll try to print this mobiles, or we can do one thing here. Okay, okay. I don't want to tell now. Autocomplete here. Okay, you are going to buy the iPhone after launching Amazon.in. Okay, copy this Amazon.in. Here we need to enter iPhone here, inspect this element. Okay, here we have ID is there. To tap search text box. Okay, and confirm whenever you are using ID, right? You need to ensure, okay, it is having only one element. Double slash input at the rate of ID equal to, see, it's showing one of one. That means we have only one ID. You can use this ID. Driver dot find element by dot ID. Here we are going to enter iPhone 14. Okay, after entering iPhone 14, then we need to click on search icon. Here we have ID. Okay, verify this ID. Okay, we have only one element. Yes, we can use this ID. Go here, driver dot find element by dot ID dot click. Then click on search icon. Now we are navigating to the product page. Okay, this is the product results page. Okay, here I need to select the brand. Okay, these are the filters. We have a lot of filters here. Okay, I'm going to select the Apple brand, inspect element. Here, see here. Okay, we need to identify this element. With this reference, okay, we are going to click the checkbox. Span list item. Okay, while dealing with multiple elements, be careful. Okay, if you want to select, okay, directly any option is there? No. In this UIC, sometimes what will happen? You need to verify each and every filter. You need to write expert. Okay, inside this UL, you have all filters. But see here, title. Okay, class. You can take this title contains using. You can retrieve all details. Okay. As of now, I'm going to print the all values after selecting this apple. Here I will do one thing. Here class, some spaces are there. We cannot use this. You can use contains means most of the products having same class. You will get multiple elements. I will do one thing. First, I will write XPath double slash span by using text area. I'm going to write XPath because I don't have any other option. This is the only okay. Mm, Recently brand filter we are getting now. It is not going to work because we have two elements. Okay, first here also we have one brand. Okay, I will do one thing. I will take from here. Okay, double slash brand. Whenever you are writing right, okay, expert, be careful if you are going to deal with single element. You need to get only single element. Then from here, I am going to traverse span. A lot of elements we have. Equal to a caps, right? Still we are getting two elements. Okay, why it is showing? Because manually I opened right apple filter. I used apple filter, that's why it is showing. Okay, whenever you are creating new instance, at that time it won't show, but still you need to Write expert. Yeah, okay, with this we are not getting. Then double slash. I will do one thing, okay? Inspect. We need to check this checkbox, right? I don't want to click this one. I want to select this checkbox, okay? Then mm, preceding sibling. Again, it is going top because here also we have checkbox. Okay. Anyway, we are going to select same item, right? We try to take on some other filter. I don't want to take this one because recently we selected. That's why it is showing like that. Let me change this Nilkin. Now it is showing one of one. Okay, because real time whenever you are working, right, if you are going to open new browser at the time this brand is not available. Okay, manually we open this browser, that's why it is showing recently used filter. Okay, I'm trying with new one. What it is showing now, see, one of one item. Yeah, it is highlighting checkbox, it is not highlighting the Nilkin. See where it is highlighting, is highlighting the checkbox, so that you can check this checkbox. Then it will display the list of items. Oh, it is showing different product. Okay, I will do one thing. I will pass this apple. Okay, I don't want to select this Nilkin. We selected apple, right? See, one of one it is showing. We selected the checkbox. Now I need to print this product. Okay, how many products we got? One of 24. You need to ensure that, okay, we got 24 items. That is my first test case. I need to assert. Okay, total I retrieved 24 items. Then I need to retrieve. Let me take this expert. These websites are little bit complex one, okay, compared to old earlier one. What is this exact meaning? Preceding sibling, okay. If you see here, these two are in same under the, this is the parent, right? A is the parent for div and span. Under this A we have siblings, okay, div and span. We want to traverse from span to div. That's why we are using preceding sibling. Suppose if you want to traverse from div to span, we can use following sibling. First we can identify div, then you can traverse from div to span. You can use following sibling. Okay. Now we are using preceding sibling because we identified this item first. From here we are going to identify this div. That's why we are going back. Okay, from here to here. That's why we are using preceding sibling. Whenever you are using siblings, right, access methods, we need to use these colons like this. Okay, this is the tag name you need to define. Then from here, if you want to switch to parent, yes, you can do that as well. Parent, you can give a. See, you can travel from reverse order as well. Okay, so from here, if you want to travel, again you can give parent, grandparent also, ancestor. As of now, my target is I need to identify the this checkbox. You can create reusable method as well. Okay, I will tell you how to do this. Okay, suppose I want to, in future I want to pass this as a argument. Okay, this is the argument, only text I want to pass, so that it will select the respective filter. We can do that as well in expert. Generally people are going to use these things. We are going to create as a reusable methods. In real time we are going to work, right? In future if you are checking this Nilkin, then Samsung, we need to pass it this text. Okay, this is the one, right? I will show you how to pass. Okay, then after this XPath, okay, we need to identify these items. Okay, for each and every product, I need to retrieve this text header of the item. Here, see where it is. Where is the parent one? Here also single. Where we have these elements. Okay. No, here also we don't have. I will try to write XPath for single thing. Okay. Span class. Okay. This anchor tag. Okay. Try to use this anchor tag. I'm going to take this underline one text normal. I will try with okay XPath. Control C, Control F, double slash A at the rate of target equal to blank. This. How many? Okay, total we have 120 elements. Okay, it won't work. We need to retrieve only list of items. I want to see where it is covering all these products. If you place cursor, okay, no. Products image. Only single item it is having. H2, okay, we are unable to identify this list of items. Okay, in Flipkart and all right, okay, it is little bit easy to identify all elements. In Amazon, these are the product images. Okay, mm, I will do one thing. This one also we cannot use component ID. I will do one thing. Okay, I will try to write custom XPath by using span. Okay, contains only one item it is showing. Apple. Okay. Total how many elements we have? 38 elements. Okay, it is retrieving each and everything. We don't want this. Double slash parent A. Here also it is showing 31 elements, but it is starting with okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But it should retry only 31, 24, right? But it is showing 31 items. Somewhere, okay, we have hidden elements as well. See, as of now, it is highlighting. See, 23, 24, okay, 25, okay. Here, some hidden elements also there. That's why it is displaying. Okay, I will try to use this one. But this is not a correct way. We are unable to identify this Apple items. Why it is showing? I will keep this export. Generally, they will use containers, okay, to store list of items. But here it will be a little bit difficult one. They are using. I will take this div, okay. Control C, Control F, double slash div. 24 items we have. See, now we are getting 24 items. But whenever we have spaces, right, we should not use this div. This lengthy one they may change. Space A title, okay. I will try to use title using contains method and see whether it will identify. Using okay, contains clam. Mhm. Okay, now we are getting 30 elements. Double slash span. Still some hidden elements are there. Even we are getting the same thing, okay. This is issue with the design, okay. But whenever we are taking particular class, we are getting only now see 24 elements we are getting. Double slash span. For time being, I'm using this, okay. I need to print the spans of each and every product. See, okay. Control X. Here I can give. This is for selecting the checkbox. Driver dot find element. And also, if you notice one thing, whenever you select this checkbox, right, it will take time to refresh the page. To apply filter, it will take time. We'll try to use driver dot find element. I'm going to use this in after selecting this filter, okay. Here we are going to apply implicit weight and check whether it will work or not. Most of the areas, okay, implicit weight won't work. Timeouts dot implicitly weight. Here we can give 30 seconds, then time unit. Then we are going to get the products. These are the product details. Driver dot find element. I'm going to use for each loop this time. I'm not going to use for loop, but you need to know how to use for loop and for each loop as well. Give the I don't want to use shortcut here for. Okay, this is the syntax. What is the type we are going to use? Then where we have these items, here inside this list we have item. Then product titles. I'm informing this list. Okay, whatever holding data you have, you pass to the product titles. Here simply I'm going to use dot get text. Before this I want to print this size as well. How many elements we have, number of products, dot size. That's why it will take more time if you are taking this kind of applications. Okay, what happened? No such element. Okay, which one it is showing exception? We are using span text apple, right? Okay, it is unable to identify this XPath. I will do one thing here. I am going to apply this implicit weight globally and see whether it is working or not, because after clicking search item also it is taking time to navigate product details page. That might be the reason it is failing the. See, after clicking search icon, it is waiting for the 30 seconds. But already we have this item here. Why it is taking this much time? Span list item, span text. Okay, preceding sibling div. Timeout connecting to Chrome. Export is unable to identify the export. Oh, ID I am using. This is the issue. That's why it is unable to identify. Sometimes you need to check frames as well. Okay, now it's selected Apple. See, it is printing all 24 products. How many products? Number of products we have 24. These are the titles of the mobiles. Okay, like this you need to then. Okay, this is my desired mobile. I want to buy this mobile. I will do one thing. Okay, after identifying this item, if product titles dot get text dot equals, I don't want to check for remaining things. Okay, once I identify this item, okay, this is my desired item I want to buy. I don't want to check further. Okay, just stop. Print this. Your search item is identified. Search product identified. Now you can place the order. Remaining I don't want to check. Okay, after reaching this one, after identifying this one, I want to stop. But as of now, don't try to practice in this one. Okay, see, your search product is identified. It will ignore the remaining products. Okay, it won't search the remaining products. Like this, we can use the for loop with even you can check multiple as well. Else if verify this product as well. Okay, you can search multiple items as well. Don't try in this. Okay, for you task is go to this website, open span, log in here. This is the static one. You don't see much challenges here. That's why you can practice here using find elements. If you take these are the huge applications, right? We have Ajax calls as well. It will take time to load, filter. Okay, it is a huge application. Still, we can automate, but it will take time. For learning purpose, okay, don't spend much time here. Okay, mm, products, beverages. See, these are the products we have. First, what you need to do, we need to perform mouse over on product, beverages. Print all these products. Okay, these are the product details, right? Beverages we have. Same way, perform mouse over, then click on seasonings. Print all these seasonings. And also you need to add assertion. Okay, it navigated to the beverages page. Take this text and do assertion. If this assertion is passed, then only you need to print all these products. Verify how many products we have. Okay, you can add that assertion as well. Then seasonings also, number of products. Okay, verify this text and print each and every product. These prices and all not required. Again, this is different concept, web table. Okay, if you see web table here, we can see table. This is the table. It is short and see values are changing. If you click on product, right? Okay, now it is displaying on descending order. Sometimes you need to verify as well whether it is printing in sorting order as well. See, but this one we cannot verify because different products having different prices. You can verify this as well. Product ID, see, some random thing it is showing here. 1 minute, I will check. Now see, it is printing in order. Whether it is these product IDs are in starting order or not, you need to verify. Few scenarios as well you need to verify for your task. Okay, now which is the one? Okay, autocomplete. Let's try to automate this. Or you can take Verizon.com. Most of the interviews they will ask this Verizon.com. Here also we can see a lot of categories. See, if you scroll down under shop, how many options we have? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Under top device brands, okay, how many items we have? He will ask you, can you please write expert? Okay, which I need to retrieve the top accessory brands or most popular brands. Okay, I need to retrieve this count. Can you please write expert? Most of the people, okay, nowadays they are asking from this website. Can you please print, okay, how many elements we have under most popular? How can we do this? Inspect element. Yeah, this is looking like easy one. I will check. See here, under this UL, okay, we have all this list of items. Or you can traverse from this as well, okay. Mm, div, okay, this is the following sibling. You can use following sibling because these two divs are under single parent. Okay, if you try to, okay, yeah, we'll try with this. Control C, Control F, double slash div. Earlier we used preceding sibling, right? Now we are using following sibling because we need to traverse from here to here. Double slash following sibling. Okay, this is the div. Under this, if you can see UL, right? Okay, slash UL slash LI. Now how many elements we have? 8 items we have. Okay. If you want to print, you can print as well. Like this, you need to write XPath. Some people what they will do, okay, if they are not sure, they can go with this one. This is the correct XPath. You can write. Okay. Suppose you don't know following sibling, preceding sibling. Still, you are trying to identify the list of the items under this UL double slash UL double slash LI. See how many elements it is showing? 50 elements. If you are taking UL, right? Okay, because each and every item having same UL. That's why it is showing the 50 items. You need to see, that's why you need to be okay. Be careful how to traverse from here to here using following sibling because these two are under single parent. This is the parent element. These two are siblings. Then following sibling when you need to use preceding sibling. For suppose if you want to traverse from here to here, you need to use preceding sibling because we are traversing back. Following sibling from here to here we are traversing. That's why we can use following sibling. Top accessory brands. Okay. Simple thing. Same XPath I can use. Okay. Only thing I need to change the text here so that I will print the top brands. If you are able to write single XPath, okay, you can use same thing. See now it is showing the top brands. Where it is changing, this is the area it is changing. Okay, if you want to print this under this important consumer information, you can change this. Important consumer information, check this export. Okay, see same. If you are writing single export, right, only area where it is changing, okay, you can change this text. Okay, single export you can use for. Then how to add this export and all, okay, how to call the methods and all. Don't get confused, okay, we are going to deal with multiple items, that's why we are using export. As of now, find elements, right? Earlier, up to yesterday session we saw about only find element to see how many elements. Okay, even you can sometimes they will ask you, they will give this website and they want to ask you how many links we have in this page. Okay, can you please print the list of links in this page. Origin.com driver dot find elements by dot tag name a. Then it will give list of items. This one also is very important, you need to know. Okay, suppose you want to get how many buttons we have in that particular page, whatever tag name a you can give button. Images, how many images we have, you can give img. For links, I will tell you. You can try for buttons, input, how many input elements we have, list of web elements. In interview, they will ask you, can you please share your screen and can you please open Notepad, write this code. Okay. I want to print how many links we have. Sometimes they may ask how many broken links we have. I will tell you in advanced concept by using for loop. Okay. For each loop is the simple one. If you want, you can use this for each loop. But you need to know how to use both for loop as well as for each loop. Links from list I am going to store in list. Okay. Then before this I want to print size as well. Number of links. List dot size. Then I want to print the not text. Okay. I want to get the attribute href, whatever anchor tags having href attribute. I want to print these URLs. Okay, I don't want to print the text as well. If you want to print, you can print text as well. But this time, okay, first I am going to identify the links. Okay, then I am going to print the href. This is the URLs, right? Okay, this is the anchor tag. It is going to check each and every element available in this page, which is the tag name as A. Then it it is going to print the href attribute. This is the URL. Okay, we need. Now see whether it will work or not. See, it is printing all links of that particular page. Total how many we have? Oh, it is having huge number. 300 links we have. Some links don't have any href. Still it is trying to print. That's why we are getting these exceptions. See, and some links they don't want to show. Okay, some hidden links also there. That's why it is printing like this. Total how many? If you do manually, right? Okay, how much time it will take? If you want to sit and check how many links we have, open each and every element and try to click that element, it will take whole day. Okay, see what we did, just 5 minutes we have written code. It is printing how many links we have. We are reducing human effort, right? Then if you want to print how many buttons, you can check as well. Number of buttons. Buttons don't have any href, right? Okay, I will try to print the buttons. You can check image. You can take any website. Okay, same code will be. You can use same code. Okay, if you want to check any website, you can check. Run as. Let's see how many buttons we have. Number of buttons 43. But most of the buttons don't have text area. That's why it is printing spaces. See, it is trying to print spaces because most of the buttons don't have any text area. That's why it is printing spaces. Images, how many images we have? Take Amazon.in. HTTP Amazon.in. Here I want to know how many images are there. How many images? Number of images. Suppose if the image is having text means you can print the text. Total how many images we have? See, you don't have any text area. It is trying to print. Most of the images don't have any text area. That's why see total we have 210. Whether we have href for this image, let's try this href. Get attribute. If you have href, try to print this image. Okay, please try to complete the task. You need to print the seasonings as well as beverages. Oh, most of the elements don't have any href. That's why it is printing now. If you see images, right? Okay, you can see different tags as well, and also how to convert this as a reusable method. Every time I want to pass this as text, then it need to be selected that particular filter, and it will print the respective items. I will tell you tomorrow. Please complete this task. Okay, most of the people they are not completing task. Try to complete. Okay, then only you can able to learn.